Okay, let's get some gradients in here so this looks a little bit better. Because this could look really, really cool with some gradients. So we'll add a linear gradient with an ID of bar gradient. X1 equals 0. Y1 equals 0. X2 equals 0. Y2 equals container height. And we'll add a stop with an offset equals 0. Stop color equals red. Stop opacity equals 0.3. Stop offset equals 1. Setup, oh, that is stop color yellow. Stop opacity equals 0.8. And this is stop color. And I've done something wrong, but oh, there it goes. There's a little animations in there. We'll have to make these all configurable. We can do that a couple of different ways. And we can look at that in another video. I do have an idea for that. It would be pretty cool. So now let's go back up to where we did this. We'll go back to our config real quick, actually. And I'm going to say use bar gradient equals true. And then down here, if use bar gradient else, we'll return this guy. And we can just copy this and for our fill backtick URL bar gradient, I think is what we called it. Everything else can be the same. And that doesn't look like what we specified, but that's okay, let's look at it. Red and yellow, offset 1, stop color, stop opacity. Let's just try yellow and yellow. Okay. And if we do green, so there's something amiss here. Oh. We need the gradient units equals user space on use. There we go. And so let's make this all configurable. What we could do though, what would be super sweet, is make it where the user could specify a different gradient, a different color for each bar. But for now, let's just make the universal, and then we can look at, see how to do that at a later time, because that could be pretty cool. Alright, so we'll say gradient config bar gradient config. We'll say stop 1, stop 2, And here we need the offset. 0. Stop color. Stop opacity. Copy that. Make the offset 1. Make this 0.8. Green. Put our comma down here. Oh, no, it doesn't like that, so we'll just make 1 0 in there. Okay, bar gradient config. Stop 1 dot offset. Stop 1 dot off or stop color. Stop 1 dot stop opacity. Dot stop 2. Paste that. Dot stop 2. Dot stop color. Paste. Dot stop 2. Dot stop opacity. And I think what I would like to do is flip this to be 8 here, 3 here, and then let's go check some blues. We had some nice blues down here somewhere. There we go. Copy that. Actually, I think I want that here, and the lighter one down here. That's looking good. Let's come back in a minute and we will add some tooltips to this thing.